Why is gold more valuable than other metals? Gold is non-corrosive, abrasion-resistant, beautiful, easy to process, compact and difficult to counterfeit. For these reasons, it has become a convenient equivalent to the cost of other goods, that is, money. Made of real 18-karat gold and is called the Pearl of the East. In Peru, near the town of La Rinconada, there is a gold mine where people work for 30 days without pay. On the 31st day, however, they are allowed to take as much ore out of the mine as they can carry on their shoulders. Gold caviar. It is extracted from the albino beluga in the Caspian Sea. And these fish are more than 100 years old. The product sells for €200,000 per kilogram. Why is gold given a hallmark? The gold hallmark is the percentage of pure gold in a piece of jewelry. For example, a 585 gold ring has 58.5% gold and the rest is other metals. Jewelry cannot be made of 100% gold, as it is not very hard, since it is too soft and deforms easily. 52-year-old woman had a cosmetic procedure of implanting gold threads into facial and neck soft tissues. Frankly speaking, it looks a bit creepy. There are vending machines in Dubai that sell gold bars just like they usually sell drinks and chocolates. Gold reserves worth $700 quintillion have been discovered on the asteroid Psyche 16. This is enough to make all the inhabitants of Earth billionaires. 1 cubic foot of gold weighs half a ton. The world's largest gold bar weighs 200 kg, 440 pounds. There is a restaurant in Düsseldorf where you can eat gold sausages. These are ordinary sausages covered with a thin layer of pure gold of 585 standard. The owner of the restaurant sincerely believes that gold is good for digestion and health. 1912 saw the last Olympic gold medals made entirely out of gold. In the photo, the most expensive chocolate in the world. The cost is $1,215 per piece. The wrapper is made of gold leaf, so you can eat chocolate with it without unwrapping it. Gold polishing process. Mercury eats up the gold leaf.